What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. Still not used to how bright it is in here. Really like the way the white walls look. I didn't end up painting all four walls white. I ended up leaving that back wall just raw wood for now. In today's video, we're gonna work on workbenches and some storage options. If y'all remember, this place didn't have any workbench in it at all. It just had some cabinets here on this back wall, and it had a ton of shelving back here that I removed so that we could paint. So what I'm thinking is a miter saw station along that back wall. We'll probably do some type of work surface right here with storage underneath. And then we'll do like a floating assembly table, workbench right here in the center. So yeah, these are our cabinets that I took off the wall back here, and I didn't want to throw them away. So my idea for this is I want these two cabinets to become the base of the floating worktop right here. So what I have in mind is we're gonna shorten both these cabinets, and then we're gonna put them back to back, and then we'll build the worktop on top of these two. I'm about to start working on cutting down these cabinets to the size that I want, and then we'll start working on the bench top. All right, we got both cabinets shortened. Let's get them put back to back, and then we'll get the doors fitted. We need some door pulls, but instead of attaching our old hardware back on here, I think I'm just gonna cut little holes for the little finger pulls right here. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. All right, we successfully shortened the cabinet, got it all mounted together. Looks really good. The doors are back on. Now we're gonna start working on the top. Now I originally wanted to come up with some really cool work top, like one of those big laminated work surfaces, but honestly I'm just overcomplicating things. I just need a simple work surface right now. We can come back later and modify it if we want to, but anyway, I have a ton of OSB that was just left here at the shop when we moved in. So what I'm thinking is use a few layers of that for like the base layer. And then I have a couple sheets of plywood over there to be the final work surface that'll go on top. And yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. Let's just keep it simple. Let's get to it. I'm just trying to get an idea of how big this is gonna be. This actually feels really nice. All right, so a little update on our table build. I added these 4 2x4s across here. So it lifts it a little bit, but I actually like a taller table. So what my plan is now is I'm gonna have some drawers under here that I can gain access to on this side that just, you know, hold common use items right across here. I think that's gonna look and work really well. All right, we got the fiberboard cut down to size. I had some 1x4s left over from taking out all the shelving in here. So we'll use that to make a border around this thing to clean it up. It's gonna look good. All right, the tabletop is done. I really like the way that looks. Just gotta make some drawers for underneath here real quick. Perfect. I really like this high density fiberboard. I just have it sitting in here inside this groove so it kind of sits flush. And this will be just like a sacrificial top. So once this thing gets nasty or beat up, I'll be able to just peel it up. I'm probably just gonna nail around the edges to keep it down, but it should be pretty easy to peel it back up once it's ready to be changed out. All right guys, super pleased with how this turned out. This is gonna be a great addition to the shop. Really glad I was able to recycle a lot of the materials that are already in the shop. Like I said, I only spent about $8 on it. It was just to buy this one piece of fiberboard. The one other thing I might add to it is possibly a vise and then maybe a way for my table saw to attach to this. So this table can act as outfeed for my table saw possibly. Not really sure yet. But yeah, I want to thank y'all for watching. In my next video, we're going to start on a miter saw station that's going to go right here behind me. I'm really excited to get started on that. We'll see you in the next video.